Good morning, dear students. In our previous video, we were reading chapter number 4, Word Processor and Introduction. In that video, we have learned steps to open Word window. After following those steps, this is the window that appears in front of us. In this window, the components of Word screen are shown. The red small boxes, they are the components of Word window. Now we will read about these components one by one. First one is title bar, the topmost area of the window that displays the name of the currently active Word document. Title bar is the topmost area. It is present at the very top of the screen and it shows us the name of the currently active Word document. Currently active means the Word document in which we are working. ये उसका name दिखाता है. File tab. When you click on File tab, a backstage view appears which resembles a menu. After clicking on File tab, a backstage view appears which looks like a menu. In backstage view, you will find a list of commands such as save, open and print. This backstage view contains list of file commands such as save, open and print. इसमें list होती है file commands की. Next is quick access toolbar. It displays quick access buttons for save, undo and redo command. This toolbar contains buttons for quick access जो हमने जल्दी यूज करने होते हैं such as save, undo and redo. Ribbon. It displays a group of related commands in tabs. Each tab offers shortcut buttons to common tasks. There are tabs in the ribbon which contains group of related commands. इसमें टैब बने होते हैं, टैब्स में ग्रुप्स होते हैं और उसमें रिलेटेड कमांड्स होती हैं. Insertion point. It is a flashing line on the screen that indicates the place where the text you type will appear. This line, it is a flashing line, flashing or blinking line that indicates the place where the text you type will appear. ये लाइन हमें दिखाती है कि जो टेक्स्ट हमने टाइप करना है वो कहाँ पे आएगा. Ribbon tab. Each tab provides a set of tools related to a particular task that you are likely to perform. हर एक टैब में set of tools होते हैं related to a particular task. Views of document. Word provides access to 5 different views of your documents. There are 5 different views in the Word document. That is, we can view document in 5 different ways. Zoom controls. These are used to enlarge or reduce the view of document. With the help of zoom controls, we can enlarge or reduce the view of the document. Scroll bar. The scroll bar helps you to move the contents of a document up, down, right and left. With the help of scroll bars, we can move up, down, right or left in the document. Status bar. It provides information about the area of any document displayed on the screen and the position of the insertion point. With the help of status bar, we can get the information about the area which is displayed on the screen and the position of the insertion point, where the insertion point is present. Then program control buttons. Use these buttons to minimize the window, restore the window to full size or close the window. With the help of these program control buttons, we can minimize the window, उसको छोटी कर सकते हैं, restore the window to full size, पूरी screen पे ला सकते हैं, close the window, बंद कर सकते हैं. Work area. It is the area in the document window where you enter or type the text of your document. In this area, we write the text, we type the text. Now File tab. When you click on File tab, you will see a file menu, also known as Backstage view, where you can manage file commands such as saving, opening, printing, mailing and checking the file properties. This we have already read. Now click on File tab. A new screen will appear displaying the most commonly used file management commands. Now when we click on File tab, we can see most commonly used file commands. That is, we get the backstage view, and the backstage view is divided into it is organized into 3 panels. First panel includes the commands that we will work with. Second panel contains related options, and the third panel contains additional options. You can see the backstage view in this image. Now, for example, when you click on a print in the first panel, if in the first panel, in the first part of the window, you click on the print option, the second panel will show the print options. It means whichever command you select from the first panel, in the second panel, related options will be shown. And in the third panel, print preview is shown, that how it will appear after printing. First panel shows the commands, second panel shows related options, and the third panel shows additional options or preview options. Now creating a new document, how we can create a new document, बनाना कैसे है document को. Creating a new document is writing on a fresh new piece of paper. Each time you create a document, you are placing a new piece of paper on your screen. Now how to create a document? Click on File tab, Backstage view will appear. To create a new document, we will click on File tab. File tab के ऊपर click करेंगे. We will have Backstage view in front of us. Then from there we will click on New button. उसके बाद New button के ऊपर click करेंगे. Click on blank document in the templates list. In the third step, we will click on blank document from the templates list. Sample view of your selected document appears in this area. You can see where this arrow is pointing. Then in the fourth step, click on create. The new document file opens and you can start adding your own data. After following these steps, we will have a new document file, that is fresh piece of paper in front of us, and we can start typing the text. Now entering text. After opening the new document, how we will enter the text? We will enter the text simply by pressing the keyboard keys. The text you type will appear where the insertion point flashes on your screen. Now type the text for your document. When you reach at the end of the line, Word automatically sends the text to the next line. When we type the text and reach at the end of the line, Word sends the text to the next line. We don't have to press any key or enter key. We will press the enter key only if we want to start the new paragraph. जब हम लिखते हैं लाइन के एंड में पहुंच जाते हैं तो वर्ड अपने आप ही टेक्स्ट को न्यू लाइन में भेज देता है. Word automatically underlines misspelled words in red and grammatical errors in green. Any spelling mistake in Word is underlined with the red color and grammatical mistake is underlined with the green color. Now, do you know the text always appears to the left of the insertion point as you type? You might have seen when you type, the text will appear on the left side of the insertion point. Insertion point के left side पे होता है text. Update your knowledge. Enter text automatically. Now Word enters some of the common words automatically when you start typing them. Now when we start typing some commonly used words, Word will automatically enter them. For example, begin typing a common word, phrase or date like Janu. The word suggests common words or phrases based on what you type. Now if we start typing January and we have just written Janu, Word will suggest us options such as January. Now we can press enter to let the word finish typing the word, phrase or month for us. If we press the enter key, Word will automatically enter that word. And if we continue typing, we will ignore that suggestion. Now selecting text in a document. To perform any operation on the text, to perform any type of formatting on the text, we have to select the text. We can select different amounts of text in Word. We can select simply one word, one sentence, one paragraph, or any amount of text. Now let us see how we can do that. To select a single word, we will double click on that particular word. That word will be selected, and to deselect it, click outside the selected area. Now whichever text is selected, it is highlighted. Highlighted means it appears different from rest of the text. वो दूसरे text से different लगेगा. You can see it in the images also. It has a blue background. It means that amount of text is selected. Now selecting a sentence. To select a full sentence, one single sentence, we will press and hold down the control key and click on the sentence we want to select. That sentence will be selected. Now selecting one paragraph, we will quickly click 3 times on that paragraph. Selecting any part of text, we will place the mouse pointer over the first word we want to select and drag till the end of the text. Now editing text in a document. Editing means making changes. We can either add or delete something in the existing text. Now adding means inserting text. How we can do that? Wherever we want to add the text, we will place the insertion point there and start typing. The text will be added there. If we want to add the blank space, we will place the cursor or insertion point there in that place and press the space bar key. Space will be added there. If we want to delete anything, delete means removing the text or erasing the text. To delete the text, we will select the text which we want to delete and press the delete key from the keyboard to remove the text, and the text disappears from there, and the remaining text in the line or paragraph moves to fill the empty space. Now this was all in this video. Your homework is to revise all the topics covered in this video. And let me remind you, for your September exams, you have to revise chapters thoroughly, each and every topic. So thank you and have a nice day.